Mr. Dave here, out here in beautiful Alpine, California, where I live. I'm sitting here on a job I did 23 years ago, and it was a grotto cave thing right next to these monstrous rocks, which I will flip the phone around and show you. Humongous rocks, big as houses practically out here in Southern California. You got one of those prefab slides going on, but I made this thing 23 years ago actually, and there was an entire roof slash pond basin here. The water would come out and dump in here into the pool. These are the two hollow rocks. I got a few satellites around the pool, one over there, one behind us. And so this thing has been around a long time. So Daniel's here taping off stuff. We just got here today. Gonna be working on this for a week or two or three, maybe less actually, because I'm slower in my old age. But the weather's awesome, and so nice to work when the weather's not a million degrees. So inside this rock, see if I can take my little phone in here through the rebar, we can see 23-year-old burlap inside of a rock that we made long ago. Burlap's a technique, like I've said before. You get pretty darn good coverage. There are spots where the tie wires go, the hog rings go, where you're a little close to the rebar, as you can see right there. That's a good example of it. Still, the rebar is in great shape, so burlap does fine. It works really, really good. You can use chairs, as my buddy Richard Wingate does on the big corporate professional jobs, and a plastic mesh behind it. I can't remember the name, but he told me once, but I forgot. So yeah, burlap works pretty good. You can see we got lots of concrete here, shotcreted on, totally encasing the steel. Looks good after 23 years. This one's got a little rust. I think it was exposed. It wasn't encased. It was part of the structure. But the ones that are solid, wrapped in concrete, 23 years, no problem, still structural. Big time, I say. So anyway, Mr. Dave out here talking and squawking and doing a little alteration to a project we did many decades ago when I had more hair. I lost my hair, it's sad. Anyway, hope you're having a good day. Mr. Dave on the rock pile. Remember to be thankful, grateful, and forgiving, and you will be an awesome person and with the people around you, especially the family. And one by one, we make the world a better place by living in the spirit of gratitude. All right, Mr. Dave here, rocking and rolling. Have a great day no matter what, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye. Boom.